Okay, so now we've done some sort of manual text synthesis. We're now going to do some digital text synthesis using Botnik. And Botnik is a predictive text bot which it draws on existing pieces of text that you may have written or someone else may have written in order to predict text, essentially. So let me just set up a new movie recording here. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, let me just set up a screen recording here, just so you can see what I'm up to. And so if you go to the Virtual Design Studio website and you click on text, most of these ones in green are predictive text statements that Botnik generated using the context report I did on the subject of the internet disconnect. So I had 7,000 words of pure sort of gold in the sense of Botnik, and then what I did was I put the text into the bot, and then just clicked on the words word by word in order to begin to generate some text. So I'll just read a couple. Phone. Access to engage conversations with equal, to understand the future, to execute alone quickly. The new technology breaks. He would plug anytime, image and time both, palpability of language, associated in ways unknown, to the images lost in short, to concentrate, installed anywhere, the internet dimension about everything, to reasons unknown for humans, privacy is temporary. Do one more. The internet setting forgotten, and habits, browsers and media nets, 85. The CFO. Paramendum, loading, being internet, dimension internet, 60. Connected with, from places to, privacy, image of the internet. So you just get a feel, and I've put Botnik as the author on there. You just get a feel of the possibilities of Botnik. So if we go to Botnik now, what we'll do is we will click in the top left corner, the little menu icon. We'll choose a file that we want to upload, and here, as you can see, I'm using my context report, and then I just press upload. And what that does is it then generates a keyboard from that document, and the words appear here. So what we can do is we can just start to predict some text. So the internet dimension between bodies and let's go for technologies. And then I think that line is done. I don't think there's anything more to add to that line, so I'm going to make a new line. And habits that will instantly deliver. So I think that's a reference to the internet sort of being this instant thing that you can just kind of click and access anytime. Let's do a couple more lines, because places unknown, information available, image and time, I wanted to say occur instantly, but it's not going to let me do that. Will occur are intertwined. I think it needs another line. For humans exist, internet working to see the future. So I think that's good. Let's read it through. The internet dimension between bodies and technologies and habits that will instantly deliver because places unknown, information available. Image and time will occur are intertwined. For humans exist, internet working to see the future. I think that'll do for a generated piece of text. So what I'll do is I'll copy that and then I'll paste it into a Word document or something similar, so that I've just got a log of it. I mean, here this is my logs of the Virtual Design Studio forever, but I'll just paste that in there just so that then in the future if I want to access it, I've got it. And I always tend to put a date on things just so I know. Just so I know when I've made them. And I'll also put a title on there, so I'll put Botnik generated using context report, just so I've got an idea of how I made it, when I made it, what it is, and I think that's enough for those generative text pieces because they're just explorations.